Welcome to Wrenching to Race. We're going to get gas, because we're going racing.
Our schedule today has changed just a bit. 10 to 1:15 with practice session 1. And then we'll break for lunch around 1:20. Be back on track for 2 o'clock for practice session 2 to 5 o'clock.
Anything melting? It's not right. Even if you tape it, it's not working.
No, this thing's fucked.
No, that's
It's completely fucked.
Yeah, it's totally fucked.
Yeah.
You see the old one?
Oh my god.
Something's awry.
Born to fail.
Good luck. Yeah, I like the dryer duct. Dryer duct is good. That's good.
This class would be that.
Yeah.
It's still giving me problems. Starvation.
Nothing's really changed since Jersey. Yeah, same thing.
And I think I took this car in Jersey. So.
Yeah, we added the Audi 5000 alternator. That was a great. Yeah.
Wow, apparently it's doing a great job.
Yeah, it's really charging up a storm.
So Manny, this is one of those Audi 5000 alternators.
Do you know the story of the Audi 5000? Does everybody know the story of the Audi 5000?
60 minutes, fuck them.
Yeah, well, what ended up happening is the Audi 5000 would start on its own and just take off. So
It would accelerate on its own, they claim.
Yeah. So that is the long and short. So that alternator could possibly be a real problem around here. They could just take right off on you, and next thing you know,
So when he comes in for a black flag,
yeah.
the answer is going to be, it wasn't me. The car just took off on its own.
Perfect. See, that's it. And look, even though it's a Volkswagen, we have the Audi rings, we have everything covered for that excuse.
Well, there you go. So now we don't know it's actually the Audi 5000.
I know, we're getting rid of that alternator.
Apparently the car turns off when you hit the brake, and currently the way we have the car wired, for whatever reason, the brake gets power through the coil, which is not normal. Normally the brake does not get power from the coil. So we're going to reroute that.
That's the brake wire.
So we're going to go ahead and reroute that. It's not a mess.
Okay,
The electric's
okay.
not a mess, but it's always a bit of a project.
So what we should do, Vaughn, is try to start the car with this, because we're basically bypassing the cold start valve. If it starts, we should see a reading of like 25 PSI of running pressure. Yeah, quit starting up. It just stopped wanting to start.
I think this is backwards. I think this is out to pump. This is in to injectors. Although, even though that arrow shows in.
I disagree, because this is our return line. Wow. What was that? That's called a bad That's a bad wire to the coil. Let's do a coil switch, because can I just, for right now, just twist them together?
Because if you're killing power, you know, I mean, first
We don't
you gotta
have,
unwind.
we don't have a
it.
switch anyways.
Get one.
Well, the switches are fucking easy to get.
Yeah, go one up, pick one up.
But
So then just run direct from the battery. You know, just
Now,
give yourself
here's-
solid power from
here's
the battery.
what about this? Put the old coil on and see if that works.
Yeah, we can.
Why don't we do that,
Yeah.
and then I don't have to buy a used coil from the Audi guys.
Yeah.
Mark, can you grab a flathead? So we're gonna take this questionable switch out.
Where's our other positive?
I tested it for continuity, but if it's old as hell, it's not gonna have enough amps really.
That was quite the adventure. I'm a little fried right now. But I mean, it was like so many things. It wasn't one thing. It was like 4 things. We had a ground come off the starter. The switch wasn't able to handle the amperage going through it. That ran to the coil. The brake light hooked up to the coil, pulling power from that, killed it. So we're basically hot wiring the car. So that's perfect for limits. Ow, that was my coat. So I had to run for those 2 laps.
Great. That's great. Just keep the temperature. Thank you. Thank you. The best. I hope all of this makes the cut.